Hey, it's Chris, and we're here at the Peregrine Falcon Center, and you can hear a beautiful water feature, which in many landscapes is just what's needed to make it a relaxing day. Off to the right here, see the pond and the water lilies in bloom. It all begins over here with a biofalls filter at the top, where the water discharges and comes cascading down. Underneath all of that, there's a pond liner, 45mm pond liner, which goes in first, and then you begin setting in your rock and your boulders, your pebbles. Looks like they made it about 2.5 to 3 feet deep. To keep it clean, you have the signature series pond skimmer here, taking the water in through there, cleaning it, then it gets sent back through.
What did you do?
So just a few pieces of equipment and you can have a beautiful pond like this. Really not a massive undertaking to get a great return for the landscape in your yard.